Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I ordered renewed iPad 2021 Apple iPad 10.2 inches Wi-Fi 64 gig storage space. I ordered this online. Gorgeous 10.2 inches Retina display with True Tone, A13 Bionic chip with neural engine, 8MP wide back camera, 12MP ultra wide front camera with center stage, up to 256GB storage, stereo speaker. So this is a renewed one. So we're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. So this is the adapter for the charger. So this is the power cable. Connect this to the adapter charger. This is what we have here. Apple iPad. See what it looks like. Very smooth. Looks great. So switch the iPad on and off from the button on top here. And see, so it lit up, so it's working. Hello. So you can see the battery is 75%. So this is what we have here. Hola, it's just showing you bonjour, greeting you in different language. So this is what we have here. iPad. Order this online. And to charge this, connect it to this port, then plug it onto the socket. See? So this is working. And see, so this is what you have. Then select English language, then select your region, scroll down and select the country, select the language, then select continue, quick start. So now this is charging. This is the appearance. So you select continue. Then it will show you available network for you to connect it to network. So this is the unboxing and overview of this Apple iPad. This iPad is space gray, 10.2 inches, screen resolution 2048 by 1536, resolution 2160 by 1620. Brand is Apple. Hard drive 64 gig, graphic card is integrated, connectivity Wi-Fi, and battery life 10 hours. So this is what we have here. This iPad deserves your attention. Thank you. This is the unboxing. Order this from Amazon. It's a renewed iPad. Thank you.